Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Binary World. This video is going to be about a very interesting topic, Skyroot, which is the first ever private company in India to develop a rocket for space launch. Let me tell you that this is a Hyderabad-based startup company. It was founded in 2018 by Pawan Kumar and Naga. Both of them are pass outs from the IITs and have experience of working as senior engineers in ISRO. History was made on 31st May 2020 when SpaceX launched two NASA astronauts to the International Space Station, and they set a shining example of public-private partnership in the space domain. Many similar private companies are also coming up in China. Sadly, India was left behind to build strong private sector companies in the field of space. But soon all that might change, as Skyroot is going to launch its first rocket into space in December 2021. Skyroot has already developed their first series of rockets, which they call as the Vikram series. Recently, they have tested their first homegrown rocket engine, which they call as the Raman engine. Main problem for this startup company is to build a proper launch site, simply because of the reason that launch sites cost a lot. This company has got a very unique idea about the launch site. In 2018, they decided to develop mobile launch sites, in which the launch sites would be very similar to the trucks that are used for launching missiles, and they would function in the very same way. But with the opening of the space sector to the private players in India, Skyroot might use ISRO's launch sites that are located in Sriharikota or Tuticorin. Now the main question that would be coming to your mind is whether Skyroot is going to compete with the other major players like SpaceX or not. Now, I must tell you that it is not going to happen anytime soon, as the founder and the CEO of the Skyroot have already mentioned that their main aim is not to compete with these space giants, but Skyroot will rather launch small satellites for small countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar or Sri Lanka. Every country needs to launch their satellites to the orbit for various purposes like defense or communication purposes. Mostly we see that the smaller countries don't have a very good launch facility. So by launching small satellites for these countries, Skyroot can earn a huge profit for India. Also, it is expected that many other companies are going to come up in this field in India. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Also don't forget to leave a comment below.